Woo! What's up, gang? I just returned from Universal Halloween Halloween Horror Nights and Disney's Not So Scary Halloween Party. So I came home and I'm completely in the Halloween spirit, as you can see. But I think we're going to turn on some lights because we're going to see, am I going to get tricked or treated with this box of Illusions. There we go. Illusions football. Here are the two. I'm not sure what's up with these packs. These come with it. See if I can get the camera adjusted better. Here we go. So let's see. I'm completely out. Every time I go out of town, I get completely out of the loop. Find 2 autographs, 2 mem cards, plus 1 rookie jersey autograph. Okay, I talked to one of my friends via email about this, and he said, I trust his opinion, and he said, this is kind of hit or miss. You do get 10 packs, so I guess that helps. But basically, it sounds like if you don't get some of the top players, then there's just not much good. You spent a lot of money for, what is this, multi-signed autograph and mem cards. Well, hopefully I'll have some luck. Maybe I'll get treated and not tricked. These I'm not sure. I just saw that it comes with it. I'm not sure exactly what's in this, so let's check it out. Lane Johnson, top 100 players of 2018. Oh wow, an Austin Prohl, Bills on card manufactured patch autograph. Well, I didn't know you could get autos in here, so that's neat. Huh. Panini Day football, it says. So cool. Got a hit already. This one feels a little thinner. Jared Goff and a Kareem Hunt numbered parallel number 2. Getting a lot over here. 99. I don't know if you can see this. It's early here. Hang on, let me adjust some light. That might help. Good looking card. Wow. Okay. Alright, well that's a good start, I think. Throw that down and get into the box. As I said, there are 10 packs. You get 5 cards in each. So kind of a medium-sized break. I do have 2 boxes of this, so you will see me open this again. If you care to, that is. I don't have my light adjusted very well. Yeah, I just got back late last night, so I'm really tired, and I've got a ton of stuff to do. Orders to fill. Work to get done. But I can't not open all these boxes I ordered. Well, there's a good start with a Baker Mayfield rookie. Behind him is Vinny Testaverde. So this is like last year, where it does have a little bit of a, not necessarily a ding, but a little pushed in area right there, so that's not cool. Matching numbers, David Johnson and Nick Chubb to $2.99. Acetate insert. Here's a Lamar Jackson, looks to be a blue parallel version with Trent Dilfer to $2.49. Kiki Kute or Cootie, I don't know. DeAndre Hopkins in the back, and Zeke and Herschel Walker. That's a nice pairing there. These are good looking cards, as you can see. Kind of a thicker stock too, so I like that. Packs aren't opening well, and they seem to be very condition sensitive, so I'd say be careful. Looks like quality control wasn't so good on these, because some of these already look a little beat up. Big Ben and Terry Bradshaw An acetate clear shots Aaron Donald. Looks like this might be a hit. Mason Rudolph. It is. It is to 100, so it's a blue. Good looking 3-color swatch there. Sticker auto to 100. Mason Rudolph. For the Steelers, there's Aaron Rodgers and who's that? Don Majkowski? Is that what that says? LaShawn McCoy and McGahee. So that would be, that hit was my rookie jersey autograph, I assume. Sam Bradford and Kurt Warner. Acetate clear shots. This is a parallel version. TJ Watt to 100. Josh Gordon red to 199 with Terrell Pryor in the background. Rashad Penny and Sean Alexander rookie card, not numbered. Brian Dawkins and Malcolm Jenkins in that pack. Ronald Jones number 2. Frank Gore and Ricky Williams. A rookie Darius Fountain and Reggie Wayne to 499. Looks to be kind of a gold color, I guess. Greg Olson and Wesley Walls and TJ Watt and Jack Ham. So we're still looking for 2 autos and 2 mem cards. So we got something going on in here. Christian McCaffrey and Jonathan Stewart. Le'Veon Bell Mystique acetate insert. Have a dual Legacies jersey, guess patch numbered to 10. Manning and Beckham. This is a really good looking card. Any Giants fan would probably love to have this. And it is a parallel, number 2 of 10. Really thick stock. It's a nice card. Dak Prescott and Troy Aikman. I'm not sure he's exactly Troy Aikman, but Michael Vick and Carson Wentz. Mr. Mahomes, and he is paired up with Joe Montana. A Matthew Stafford Living Legends acetate insert, not numbered. Corey Davis and Randy Moss blue to 249. Jameis Winston and Steve Young. Kirk Cousins and Fran Tarkington. Tarkenton, not Tarkington. Yeah, y'all have to excuse me if I say something stupid today. We were on the road for like 9 or 10 hours yesterday. It was crazy. Austin Hooper and Tony Gonzalez. Here's a Deshaun Watson illusionist. Anthony Miller rookie to 499 with Willie Gault in the back. Another rookie, Nyheim Hines and Adrian James. Non-numbered. Some of the rookies are numbered, some aren't. I guess they're parallels. Tyrod and Jeff Garcia. Trey Burton and Mike Ditka. Here's an illusionist Kamara to 25. So a nice super short print there. Sweet. Fred Warner. 49ers autograph. I guess parallel. It's numbered to 100. Red, I assume. Rookie. So it's another one of the hits. That's 2 autographs and 1 jersey card so far. Tyreek Hill, Andre Rison, Lauletta, and Eli. Good looking rookie card there. So we're down to, wait a second. So this, is this the rookie jersey autograph in here? No, surely not. Let me open this. That other pack feels really thick. Jalen Samuels, rookie with Jerome Bettis. Matching numbers. I should have, hang on. There we go. Rogers and Staubach. Matching numbers insert. Here is a numbered Lauletta to $4.99, so that's nice. And Eli. Another Daurice Fountain and Reggie Wayne. A little duplicate there. DeMarcus Lawrence and Tutal Jones. I think there's a hit in this pack. We have Alex Collins and Priest Holmes. Traquan Smith and Brandon Cooks rookie card. This is Kalen Ballage and Ricky Williams to 25. So super short print rookie idols dual memorabilia. I've been really happy with my mem cards in this. Phillip Rivers and Drew Brees and Alex Smith and Joe Theismann. And our last, this is an encased card if I remember correctly, is Leighton Vander Esch to blue version to $1.99. I'm not sure what the possibilities are in this. I haven't watched enough breaks. Like I said, I've been gone, so I don't know. I don't know if everyone's an autograph. I do have one more box of this, so I guess we'll see. Overall, I'm happy. I don't know that the hits are worth the price of admission, but as far as the look of the cards, the feel of the cards, the stock, and of course I was lucky to get a couple of super short prints and a couple of really nice dual mem cards. This to 10 is particularly nice. And I kind of dig Mason Rudolph a little bit, so you know I wasn't really sad about this. Oh, and then I did get the other autograph out of the red pack, so I don't know, pretty cool. Maybe it's either good or I'm just super happy to be home and back with my beloved cards. Maybe it's a little of both. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll get this posted up for you today, and I've got, like I said, I've got I've got more Illusions, and I've got the new Contenders baseball for you guys, and then a whole bunch of other stuff too that I had just tons of boxes, and I've got like mail out the wazoozy, so I'll get it all posted up for you. Thanks for watching, everybody. Glad to be home. Hope everybody's doing well, and I will see you soon.